Today we're going to be talking about Mehron's 3D gel, which is a gelatin-based special effects product that you can use to create fake wounds, scars, and your own custom prosthetics. 3D gel comes in 3 different colors. We have a flesh, clear, and blood red. So this is the 8-ounce slab, and a lot of people don't know how to use this, so I'm going to show you. You're just going to remove it from the plastic. And you're going to want a pair of scissors handy because you're going to want to cut this into small slivers. And then once you have however many you'd like, you can take this and now cut it into small cubes. And what you're going to want to have handy is another microwavable safe bowl or a small container like this. You're going to place your cubes in, and then you can microwave this again for maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds until this is liquefied. And you can stir it up with your stainless steel spatula, allow it to cool, and then you can start applying this to the skin. So this is what it's going to look like once heated in the microwave. And I'm just going to show you how to pour it into the mold so you can make your own prosthetics. So what you want to do is just pour this very evenly and slowly to let it fill into all of the holes of the mold. So when you're taking it out of the mold, you want to lift it evenly and very slowly. You want this to have set usually a few hours. If you have more time than that, it would be great if you could leave it overnight. So now you have this piece. Once you take this out of the mold, you're going to want to powder this down again because this is very sticky, and you want to be able to paint this. So you can paint this with any of Mehron's colors, whether it's Paradise, Mask Cover, Cream Blend. But in order to do that, you have to powder it first. So there you have it. Now you made your own custom prosthetic, and something like this you can cut. So I can take my scissors and cut this into the shape that I want and apply it to the skin to create mermaid scales or fish scales on a model.